Yes, I can hear, but I cannot see you. Okay.
Oh,
Mm,
little bit. There is a problem. Video camera.
okay, I wait.
Now,
Yes, yes.
now you can see me.
Yes, yes,
So
I can
now
see.
we both. So now we both can start.
Yes, yes, yes. We are meeting first time, so that I request you. First of all, you tell your introduction.
Okay, thank you, brother. Thank you. So you have given me this opportunity time to talk. So this time, so I will introduce myself. So my name is Itwar Hasdai. I belong to Sahibganj, state Jharkhand.
Yes,
Okay. So
yes.
I have four brother and four brother, two brother and two sister. So there is no mother and father. So when I was small time, that time passed away us. So now I am doing study and
Okay.
English learning, and I my hobby is that um, English reading and any
Yes,
story study, and only that one. And there is many reasons that have, but I can't say that all.
yes, 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 yes. Good, 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 good. Let's tell.
uh, okay. So you tell me. I am so first
Okay.
learning.
Yes, yes, yes. I am telling my introduction. Okay. My name is
Oh,
Barya Tudu and village name is Kolabagan and district Dumka and
oh,
state Jharkhand. I have
oh,
two children. Okay. I have two
okay,
children and I have there is there are five member. Okay, including my mother. Right.
okay,
And my hobby is uh, teaching to the children and traveling beautiful place and reading book, novels book, and this time I am teacher. I teach to the student in government school, right?
mm,
Yes, 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 yes.
okay,
Okay, okay.
okay.
Say
Okay, thank you. You have very nice. You have introduced in yourself. So that's why very thank you so much. And so there is I want to question you. So you must give me. So how you have how you have learned in English spoken in English language.
yes, yes, yes. I have been learning English language because I am teacher and I read grammar book for English speaking and I practice English speaking for 4 months nearly. Okay, and
Okay.
do you know Jadoo Kisku?
Yeah, I know very well.
Yes, yes. Jadoo Kisku is also in your district, right?
Oh, yeah,
He
yeah,
is he is also from uh, Sahibganj.
yeah.
What is your village name?
My village name is Sarkanda, near Overhead.
Oh, Barhead. Yes, I have gone to Barhead many time. Okay, uh,
Okay.
there is happen 30 June a great
Mm.
fair. Uh, what is Sidho Kanu Murmu place? Okay,
Bhugnadi. Bhognadi.
Bhognadi. Bhognadi. I have gone to Bhognadi much more time, and so that I know Barhet very well. Yeah, right.
Okay.
Okay. Barhet is your block.
Yeah, my Barhet is my blog.
Okay. Okay. Uh, have you met with Jadoo Kisku face to face or not?
I did not mad, but I'm fighting with him because I don't know very nice English speaking. That's why I couldn't accepting him. He is calling
Mm,
me, but I'm not accepting her call. He's calling,
why?
I'm not accepting because I don't. I'm that my nice. I can't speak. That's why I'm not accepting him.
No, no. You can accept him. Okay, because you are beginner. I like, and gradually you can speak fluently like Jadoo Kisku. Because this time, if you don't accept and if you don't meet him, then how you will learn English and how you will talk with another person. Okay, and
Yeah, yeah,
so that don't fear to with Jadoo Kisku to with me, right?
yeah.
Because
It is my,
because
it is my second time.
okay, second time.
Yeah.
First
It is my second
time,
time. First time I have to. Do you know him? Sukulal from Dumka only.
no, no.
From
He's from
Dumka.
Jamtara.
No.
He's
हाँ
from
Jamtara,
Jamtara.
Jamtara. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, bro.
So
Tell me, in which class do you study this time?
this time I am starting in. I have completed inter.
Okay.
I have
You
completed
completed
this year.
inter.
Yeah.
You complete inter. Yes, very good. And Jadoo Kisku is in class 9 and he can speak and very fluently English. And
Yeah.
I think that Jadoo Kisku is junior than you, right or not?
Really. He is a
Yes,
junior.
yes. And he practice and very good and his dream is a very big dream. Okay. He
Okay.
want to be a great officer. He want to someday he told me that I want to uh, be pilot, right?
Oh,
So that he practice very most for English speaking because he dreamed that whenever interview him, that time he can understand the English language and he can reply very good uh, answer of the question, right?
yeah. Yeah, right.
You can see me clearly or not? My picture. How is my picture?
Little, little bit. I can recognize you. That my clear is not. I
Oh,
can't see you. Then also you are. I can see you.
yes, yeah. Your photo is very clear. I can see very clear your photo, right?
Oh, yeah.
I my my how my or not.
Voice is very. Your voice is not coming clearly.
My voice is low or my voice is or lowly.
Oh, yeah. Slowly.
My voice. My voice clear or not? No.
Coming on.
I- From
Sometimes mistake.
from
Sometimes
from
is very.
from Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Tell. Yes.
I'm saying sometimes your voice is very clear. Is not coming. That's why I could not listen your voice.
Uh, is my voice is low?
No slow tower, maybe net tower problem, network problem.
Network problem maybe. And how do you listen now? My voice is clear or not?
Clear. Now is clear is coming.
Okay. Okay.
So how many long day from you are learning in English language?
I have been learning English for 4 months.
4 months.
Okay. 4 months.
Okay,
And
okay.
I now I am practicing now every day for English
Uh-huh.
speaking. And you know, I know Jadu Kisku very well. Okay. And
Okay.
he, he speak very fast and very fluently English. And
Yeah, yeah.
so that I wondered that so young boy, and he is studying in 7th class, and he can speak very good English. And how is possible it? So that
Because
he talk with everyone
yeah,
almost
yeah,
every day. And once I uh, watch his video, and she said to the people that I practice every day for English speaking. And his school is Hindi medium school.
yeah,
And
yeah.
I wondered that how is possible to speak so fluently by Jadu Kisku. And
Yeah,
he told that he motivated a teacher of his school. Uh,
yeah, yeah,
he he was from South India.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
And
yeah,
I know that the teacher he uh, does not know English so fluently, so that he
yeah,
start to speaking English in Jadu's class. And he told to the student that you can speak English by this trick. Means tense. You have to understand tense, vocabulary, and noun, verb, proposition like this. Then you
yeah, yeah.
can speak and learn English easily. So that Jadu wondered so much. And from this time, he start to speak English and start to study uh, grammar. And this time he can speak very good English. Okay. And I also when watch his video, then I listen his voice that English can be learned from the mobile. You
Oh,
uh, you uh, if you if you have no money for coaching class in English, then
yeah, yeah,
you can learn English from mobile. And just uh, just should be a mobile recharge. Then you
yeah, yeah,
can operate and network. And by this help, you can speak and you can know very much and everything like this.
yeah,
So that I wondered Okay, I wondered, and I think that I also I also should practice English language every day. And this time
Yeah, yeah.
I had two children. Okay, and they are studying in Hindi medium school, and I think that my children also will learn English very well. But he study in Hindi medium school, and
Yeah, yeah.
learning English in Hindi medium school is impossible.
Yeah,
For
yeah.
that, I try to speak at my home with my children English language, and I my eager is that I teach grammar very well, and also I teach with my children, and at last I think that they will learn English very much like me, such as
Yeah.
I can. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
okay,
Why not? Why not? So
yes,
if you are learning, then your children also will learn. That is better than
yes,
nice. If you are speaking, then
yes,
your children also can speak.
yes. Little bit speak with me, and
Mm.
this time is they are young. One is
Yeah,
studying in seventh class, and my my son is studying in class 3 in Hindi medium school, and so I want to create environment for English speaking at my home.
yeah, yeah. Because
Mhm.
of nowadays, you know there is no anything you can see anything you any there is no any Hindi language you can see. So there is only English. Until if you don't know any English, so how can you recognize that? How you know that is written? So that's why you have to teach your children, and you also speak English with them. So they will definitely your children will learn.
Yes,
Because
yes,
I because I'm from my villager. We are staying villager. We are not getting any other brother. So there is no brother. Those who are no English, they are don't know. So with whom you will talk?
yes, 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 yes,
So if you have any your brother, your sister, anyone, so there some want to learn English, so you should suggest them, and so they may also will learn. So they may also may learn, and so that you also can talk with them. So that so so this kinds of you can
okay,
hello.
hello, yes, yes, yes,
Ah,
good speak,
yeah, yeah.
yeah,
So there is many school. There is if you will go another country means another yes another state you will whenever you will go. So there is maybe you will go in Kerala. There is many person don't know in Hindi, Tamilian.
yes,
So
yes,
when there you will go. They are don't know Hindi. They will speak in Tamil and Malayalam. So they know English and Malayalam and Tamil. So
yes,
whenever you will go, then you know very well English, so you can talk with English. So they also will know, yeah, he is a person. So
yes,
that's why
yes, yes.
we can talk with them.
Yes, yes, yes. English learning is very, very must for us because if you said that if you uh, go to South India, and South Indian don't understand Hindi language, so that you can use English language there, and you can't understand Tamil language also, so that there is a big problem for it. And
Yeah,
I think that in India we should learn English, because most of the part of India, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, these are state, they don't know very well Hindi. Okay,
yeah.
so that we should learn English, because we are educated person, so that we can speak English, and we can make understand them meaning of this that, right?
Right.
Ach- Okay, I want to ask you, what do you want to learn English language? Why English language need for you?
Uh, because of that, I want to somebody are coming from South Indian people, so they are don't know any Hindi. So they are coming for our Indian, so our home. So whenever they will come, so how you'll talk with them? So that's why I want to learn English language. So I may talk with them. So I may understand. I will tell that is. Whatever they will ask me, so I will tell them with English only. So that's why I want to learn. And because of I want to a teacher. That's why
What?
before 2 years, before 2 years, maybe two years happen. I also was teaching student.
Okay. Yes, good.
In private medium school, English medium school.
What is what is the
I have
do you do you have studied in English medium school?
no. I have
Oh,
studied English. I have studied English medium school only 5 to maybe seven up to 7 class.
seven.
Yeah.
You spend much time in English medium school. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
I think that you study uh, maximum 7 years in English medium school. Is this right?
Yeah. Right.
Okay. So that I think that you should speak fluently English, because you have studied in English medium school.
Yeah.
Am I
I
right or
have
not?
studied from five class to seven class. So that time my father and mother was that's why I was studying. When I went in 7 class, so both are passed away. So how I can learn, how I can study. That's why I left that English medium. I take it admission in Hindi medium. Sir.
Okay. Yes. The condition happen sometimes. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
You speak. Uh, I think that you speak English good, and gradually your speaking also will very good. Okay, will be very good, because you was from English medium school maximum. I think that 2 years, and you're eager also to learn English, and
Yeah.
I think perhaps you practice every day for English speaking.
Yeah.
Okay, right?
Before my Before my English was good, But that time I was don't know this kinds of apps is somebody else using. I was don't know. So before I was don't know, that's why I have forgot many kinds of English vocabulary word meaning, many thing I have lost. So I was not getting this kinds of friends. I was not getting to talk with.
No, no. Practice continue for English speaking and don't left and don't forget vocabulary and for English. Okay, English is very important. And I ask you, what do you want to be for next time?
I want to be a teacher.
Yes, yes, good, good. Okay, okay, brother. Much time happened. Okay, much time happened, and video is not good for more time. Okay, so that
Okay, okay,
I thank you, and we will meet again next time. Okay,
okay, okay, okay,
don't,
sure, sure.
okay, don't forget.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome, welcome.